I'm more staying in than I'm going out. Because to be honest, I'm becoming more lazy to go outside. I don't know, maybe because I'm already bored with this island. I've been live here almost 5 years, so I already seen everything. Um, yeah, mostly it's tourists here. Like they come here for 1 2 weeks. Young men, young women from Europe, from America, from Atlanta. Sorry, Antarctica, not Atlanta. Yeah, it was that's why also I don't do dates because like if I meet a man and then like we go on a date and then I found out that he was just a tourist here, so it's like fuck to me, like nah, because he's gonna go back to his country, and who knows when he's gonna come back to my island, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm not looking for a short term date. If I want to do that, might as well I just did, one night stand, mingle here, mingle there. But I'm not that kind of girl. I'm so lazy for that. For making money, I'm not. When it comes to money, I love it. Snappy. Yeah, you look mega cute. I say you got my money as a payment option. Oh, crypto. Man, crypto, you mean USDT. Oh my god. I've been through that before. It's also I have to use my friend because he has crypto. I don't understand anything about crypto, USDT, Bitcoin, but I know that shit exists, right? For me it's a scam. So this is a long time ago. I usually receive 2000 USDT, 3000 or 1000 USDT, never less than that. And I don't fucking know how to convert it to my fucking cash. So I go to my friend that has crypto. I ask him how the fuck I can transfer these too, because I don't understand. Because in order to cashing it out, the money from my USDT has to be sent to his ID, something like that, so that he can have the money. Then he can send me the money, right? It's it's a hell. I don't like that. Imagine I don't have my friend, so my money just stuck there. No, don't give anybody money. Look, I get it, but like I do trust my friend because when he's doing it in front of me. We have to meeting for that in person. It's like, okay, I send it to you. Did you check it? Yeah, you have it. Okay, can you give me the cash? Okay, I send it to. He sent it to my like, personal bank account, and then that's when I can cash it out. Of course, when it comes to like transaction, that's why I still use my ex for that because I trust him. I can. Obviously, I can find another people to help me cash out my kick money. But the thing is, do I trust them? Are they trustable? Because it's fucking money. And it's big money. If the money is like what, $50, I don't give a shit. You can have it. You wanna scam me? No, it's $1,000, grand. You know what I mean? So yeah. If he asking, he not yet, buddy. What? What does that mean? Why you're so nah? You got too cute. Never see head back, but it adds up. What are you talking about? I think you're drunk, man. I haven't drunk yet. I'm hungry. You can learn how to do it yourself. Vamos a España. Brazil. No, I'm not rooting for Brazil, but doesn't mean I hate them. I do like them, but They already went back home, right? I knew it. But I do like their bikini because it's trendy, you know? All girls, all hot girls wearing a Brazilian bikini. It's so cold. Let's order food then. Should I order food? Oh, I swear to God, man. Why these men never knock the fucking door? Cause like I have a good reflex. If I feel threatened, like the one when I was at the bar, I hope this is final, right? Please God, please. I don't want to have a beef with anybody, but I don't think so, cause I'm rooting for both. Whoever wins, I'm gonna, you know. So it's good. There's no more England fans. Oh my fucking God, they fucking sake, man. So I saw another video because the recent one was France versus England, right? England fans still acting retarded towards France fans, even though they already won the game. Why can't they be normal? You know what I mean? Why they have to be retarded? Okay? Peasant. Okay? Like so fucking dumb. I never want to go there. Never. Oh wow, you look good. Whoever wins. That baby picture with Messi and Yamal is pretty crazy. I know. Okay. Okay, let me ask ChatGPT. How the fuck they can have a picture? What makes them meet? I don't know. Hey chat, I don't know if you know, but I'm just wondering. Uh, the pictures of Messi with baby Lamine Yamal. You know that one? So I'm just wondering, how is it happen? What was the story behind it? Like, what was the reason? Tell me. It's insane because not only Lamine Yamal, but also a few of Barcelona players, also still a kid, taking pictures with Messi. You know, but yeah, just tell me. Too much to explain. It's a really cool story, and it's one of those photos that became legendary years later. Back in 2007, Messi was only 20 years old and already playing for Barcelona's first team. A local Catalan newspaper, Diari Sport, and FC Barcelona were participating in a participating in a charity calendar to raise money for UNICEF and other community initiatives. As part of the project, families from the Barcelona area entered a raffle to participate. Okay, each selected family was paired with a Barcelona player. One of the families happened to be Lamine Yamal's family. Lamine was only about 6 months old. During the photo shoot, Messi posed with him and even helped hold him in a small bathtub while photographers took pictures. At the time, it was just another charity event. No one could have imagined that baby would grow up to become one of the football's biggest.